Ready to dive into the mysterious world of crypto market charts? Don't worry, I'll sprinkle in some humor to keep things light. Let's get started. First up, we have candlestick charts, the sushi of data visualization. Imagine each candlestick as a piece of sushi. Some are fresh and delightful, that's green for gains, while others are a bit off, red for losses. Each candle shows the opening, closing, high and low prices for a specific time period. The wick is that little line sticking out indicating the highs and lows. If the candle's body is green, it means the closing price was higher than the opening. Yay. If it's red, well, better luck next time. Next, we've got line charts, the connect the dots of finance. Remember those connect the dots puzzles from childhood? Line charts are similar but with fewer dinosaurs. They plot closing prices over time, giving you a simple line that shows the general direction of the market. It's like following a breadcrumb trail, but instead of leading to candy, it leads to financial insights. Now let's talk about bar charts, the financial Tetris blocks. Bar charts look like a game of Tetris gone financial. Each bar represents a time period and shows the opening, closing, high and low prices. The top of the bar is the high price, the bottom is the low, and little horizontal lines on the sides show opening, left, and closing, right prices. It's like stacking blocks of data. Just don't let them reach the top. Moving on to market depth charts, the buffet line of orders. Think of market depth charts as a buffet line. The buy wall is a crowd of hungry buyers piling up their plates at lower prices, while the sell wall is the chefs ready to serve at higher prices. The middle ground is where the magic happens, the current market price where buyers and sellers agree on the tastiest deal. Now let's look at order books, the menu of market orders. An order book is like a restaurant menu showing who's ordering what. Buy orders, bids, are the customers ready to chow down at certain prices, and sell orders, asks, are the kitchen's offerings. When a bid matches an ask, a trade happens. Bon appetit. Next up, trendlines, the market's fashion runway. Trendlines are the market's way of showing off its latest fashion. Uptrends strut their stuff upwards, downtrends slide into the DMs, and horizontal trends can't decide what to wear. Drawing these lines helps you spot the market's current style and predict its next outfit. Finally, support and resistance levels, the market's bouncers. Support levels are like the market's bouncers, preventing prices from dropping too low. They're the floor. Resistance levels are the ceiling, keeping prices from partying too hard. Identifying these levels helps you understand where the market might pause or turn around. Reading crypto market charts might seem like deciphering hieroglyphics at first, but with practice, and a sense of humor, you'll start to see the patterns. Join us and reach your next crypto level.